guys, Domi here from Supercar Blondie. This is the world's first 6x6 Rolls Royce Phantom. Starting with these yellow tinted headlights, like these are not even allowed in half of this planet on the roads. But they have a matching light bar on the top right there. Have you ever seen a Rolls Royce with a push bar this size? That's crazy. The paint is really nice, matte black, custom made aluminium fenders. Look at the size of these wheels, 24-inch, but with the gold plated brakes. Another other thing is the side steps fitted to the car. Look at the screws. Look at the size of these screws. Everything is just oversized on this thing. Absolute monster roof rack. And you know how every Rolls Royce has stars inside? This one has it from the outside. This car is ready for some serious off-roading. With a nice Rolls Royce logo here. This is the base model of the Rolls Royce Phantom 2005. And what they did is they kept the door here original and they chopped it and decided to use a BMW 7 Series, also 2005, and extended all the way to the back. They added the BMW 7 Series rear axle to accommodate a second set of wheels. Actually made in France, but it's on Luxembourg number plates. The guy who made it is called Alex, and he has Dunton Arts Customs, and he customizes all these crazy six-wheel drive. And his next project is actually still secret, and it's going to be a Lamborghini Urus, six-wheeled Lamborghini Urus. If you're going to be terrifying on the roads. He actually lives in this huge castle with 500 of his puppies and the doggies, and he created a huge garage under the whole castle. So he just hides in this castle and builds custom six-wheeled cars. Like, that guy is living the dream. Oh my god. You have to help the trunk to go up because they extended the back. It's actually twice or three times as heavy as it should be. So you can't do it in this one. Wow. It is sparkly in there, I'll tell you that. You know what these are for? Do you? When you get stuck in the sand, you put it under your wheel to dig your car out. Well, here you have to put it under 6 of the wheels, but I'm not sure how you put it under that one, but you can put it under this one, and then you get out. Petrol emergency, when you run out of fuel in the desert, flipping over your Rolls Royce. He also crafted his logo in there. So you're not only buying a Rolls Royce, you're buying a Rolls Royce with a skull. So this is a gangster Rolls Royce. And I have no idea what this is for, but I'm really scared to pull it. I think it's when someone kidnaps you or you kidnap someone. Let me just open it. It's got the old school hood opener. Moment of truth. What we're looking at here is the original Rolls Royce 2005 Phantom engine. It's actually V12, 6.7 litre, 453 horsepower. I was expecting something completely crazy like 800 horsepower or something like that, but no, it's not happening. But he did added a lot of gold plated parts into this car, so he did do that little bling bling. I need to tiptoe. And big thank you to Cardiff for arranging this shoot. They do the craziest cars. You might notice that one there, that it's very ugly, right, Sergi? But look around, it's only crazy, beautiful cars around us. Let's check out if the interior is just as crazy and monstrous as the outside of this thing. I mean, this is my favorite part. Rolls Royce umbrella here when it rains on our off-roading journey, adventure. Let's put it. Now I know why we have a second side step fitted. This is like a sofa seat. I'm not sure about this 19 American Airlines TV screen, but okay. Can we get rid of that, please? SOS. And it's just a, original Rolls Royce interior. The only thing that they did is they re-leathered everything inside, but besides that, everything stayed the same. And look at this, guys. They have this little detail that we couldn't miss. It's a gold plate saying Dun Art Customs. Wow, this step is really useful. I love that step. Well, let's see the front. Ooh. You can really see the original 2005 interior, but look what he did to the steering wheel. There is real crocodile skin leather. If that wasn't enough, we have snake skin on the central panel. So you still have to move your seat with these buttons right here. It's not on the side of your seat, it's still inside. Isn't that easier to do it here? That takes ages to move. Let's start this baby. This is the original 2005 Rolls Royce Phantom key. Do you guys know how to start this car? Because I was like 5 when it was 2005, so I have no idea. You put it in here, you press the brake, okay, I take everything back I wanted. Off to the best part we go. Let's take this Mad Max little monster out for a spin. Come on, let's go. Pretty smooth for a big monster. I like it. Can I keep it?